Now we move to 1.3, estimation and rounding of numbers. For suppose you have scored good marks in your class. So your father impressed by your marks and gave handful of chocolates. And your sister came to you and asked the count of the chocolates. You have said that approximately you have got 10 chocolates. See, you didn't count the number of chocolates. So you have said that approximately 10. And you went to your room and you started counting the chocolates. So the count of the chocolates is 12. See, the actual count is 12 and the answer gave to your sister is 10. That means you have rounded 12 to 10. In this, we can round off the numbers to their tens and hundreds. See, first we look rounding of numbers to their tens. For suppose you take numbers 73, 75 and 79. Here he told round off the numbers to their tens. These numbers lies between 70 and 80. The numbers between these are 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. See, he gave 73, 75 and 79. See, nearest tens. First take 73. We have to round it out to their nearest tens. Nearest tens rounding is 70 and 80. So let's check whether 70 is near to a 73 or 80 is near to 73. See, between 73 and 70, there are two numbers. While coming between 73 and 80, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 numbers. Here the count is 2 and here count is 6. So the nearest number is 70. So 73 is rounded to 70. Now coming to the 79. See, there are 0 numbers between 79 and 80. If we check 79 to 70, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 8 numbers. So the nearest number is 80. So 79 is rounded to 80. Now let's take 75. See, here we have 75, 70 and 80. See, the numbers between 75 and 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 numbers and 75 and 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also we have 4 numbers. See, from 75 to 70, the distance is same, that is 4 numbers, and 75 to 80, the distance is same, that is 4 numbers. So the distance is same, but commonly 75 is rounded to the highest value. Here the distance is same, So we should round it to the highest value. 70 and 80. The highest value is 80. So 75 is rounded to 80. So 75 is rounded to 80. So rounding up to the nearest tens is, we have to check between the nearest tens and their distances, and we should round off. Now hundreds. Let's take hundreds. Let's take 120, 150 and 170. Here hundreds. So we have to take the, in this we have taken 73, means we have taken 73 lies between 70 and 80 for the tens. But here he gave hundreds. Coming to the hundreds, 120 lies between 100 and 200. See, here the numbers lies between 100 and 200 is 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190 and 200. See, here he gave 120. As I told you, check the distance between the nearest hundreds. Here we have only 1, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 numbers. So the nearest number is 100. So 120 is rounded to 100. Now coming to the 150. Here the distance is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also we have 4. As I told you, if the distance is same, you should round it to the greatest value. Here 100 and 200. The greatest value is 200. So you have to round it to the 200. 150 is rounded to 200. Now coming to the 170. 170. The distance is 2. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here the distance is 6. The smallest, here 170, here 2 and here 6. So the nearest number is 200. So it is rounded to 200. 170 is rounded to 200. Here we have, for suppose, let's take 137 and round it up to the hundreds. See, 137 lies between 130 and 140. Here 137. See, here the distance is 1, 2, 3, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6. So 137 is near to 100. So it is rounded to 100. If we take 156, here we have 166. 156. It lies between 150 and 160. Here 150 is same distance from 100 and 200. Here we have 4. Here we have 4. But 156 is nearer to 200. So it is rounded to 200. Now let's discuss the revision of place values. In your previous classes, you have already learned how to expand the numbers using their place values. Let me give a glance of expansion of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number and 5-digit number. For suppose 2-digit number, let us assume the number as 36. Here place values. The place value of 6 is ones and 3 is tens. So 6 is in ones and 3 is in tens. In tens we have 3. So this is written as 3 into 10 plus in 6 we have ones. So 6 into 1. 3 into 10 is 30 and 6 into 1 is 6. The expand form of 36 is 30 plus 6. Now let's take an example for 3-digit number. For suppose we take 462. Here we have, in place values we have ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. In ones place we have 2. In tens place we have 6. And in hundreds place we have 4. We have 4 hundreds. So it is written as 4 into 100 plus we have 6 tens. So it is written as 6 into 10 plus in ones we have 2. So it is written as 2 into 1. On simplification, 4 into 100 is 400. 6 into 10 is 60. 2 into 1 is 2. The expand form of 462 is 400 plus 60 plus 2. Now we take 4-digit number. 5432, 5432. Here we have ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. See, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. See, in thousands we have 5, in hundreds we have 4, in tens we have 3 and in ones we have 2. See, 5 thousands, it is written as 5 into 1000 plus 4 hundreds, it is written as 4 into 100. 3 tens, so it is written as 3 into 10 and we have 2 ones, so it is written as 2 into 1. On simplification we get 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. The expanded form of 5432 is 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. Now let's take Now let's take 5-digit number. 6, 9, 3, 4, 2. See, here we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So we will write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. See, in ones place we have 2, in tens place we have 4, in hundreds place we have 3, in thousands place we have 9 and in 10,000s place we have 6. See, here in 10,000s place it is value of 10,000s place is 6. So it is written as 6 into 10,000. In thousands place we have 9. So it is written as 9 thousands. So 9 into 1000 plus 3 hundreds. So 3 into 100 plus 4 tens. 4 tenths. Here it is written as 4 into 10 and 2 ones. 2 into 1. Here on simplification, 6 into 10,000, 60,000 plus 9 into 1000, 9,000 plus 3 into 100, 300 plus 4 into 10, 40, 2 into 1, 2. Here the expanded form of 69,342 is 60,000 plus 9,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. Here, now you know how to expand the 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit numbers. Now let's move into the exercise. Let's move to the exercise 1.2. First problem, round off the following numbers to nearest tens. Here he gave some numbers: 89, 415, 3951, 4409. Here you want to round off the numbers to nearest tens. So we have to take up to the tens place. Here ones and tens. It means we have to take 2 digits in each number. Here 51 and 9. If he asks to nearest hundreds, then we will take 3 digits up to hundreds. And if he asks to thousands, then we will take up to 4 digits. Now in this question, he gave as tens. So we should take up to 2 digits. See, first number is 89. 89 lies between 80 and 90. The numbers are 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Here the number is 89. As I told you, before rounding off, find the nearest number to this 89. Here 90 and here 80. Here we can clearly observe 89 is just behind the number 90. Here 80 is far away. There are many numbers between 89 and 80. So 89 is rounded to 90. So the answer is 90. And next number is 415. So 415. Take these two numbers. Means this number lies between 410 and 420. See, 411, 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419 and 420. See, here he gave 415. Here we have 415. See, let's check the distance between 410 and 420. Here we have 4 digits, 4 numbers between these two numbers. And here we have 4 numbers. Here also we have 4 numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, distance is same. So, where should we round off? See, to 410 or 420? See, as I told you, if the distance is same, you should be round it up to the greatest number. Here the greatest number is 410 and 420. The greatest number is 420. So, it is rounded to 420. See, the answer is 420. See, here 3951. 951, 3. Take these two numbers only. It lies between 3950 and 3960. The between numbers are 3951, 3952, 3953, 3954, 3955, 3956, 3957, 3958, 3959. Here the number is 3951. Here we have the number. See, the nearest tens are 3950, it lies between, and 3960. See, 3951 is just after 3950. Here 3960 is far away. So it is rounded to 3950. Now 4409. This number lies between 4400 and 4410. See, the numbers between are 4401, 4402, 4403, and so on. The last number is 4409. See, here the given number is 4409. Here the number is, see, the 4410 is just after the 4409. Here 4400 is far away. So this is rounded to 4410. So the answer is 4410. Second problem of exercise 1.2. Round off the following numbers to nearest hundreds. See, as I told you, when it comes to tens, we have to take the 2 digits. Now, while coming to the hundreds, we have to take the 3 digits of each number. See, here we have 3 digits itself. Here we have to take 3 digits 152. Here we have to take 3 digits 648. And here also we have to take 3 digits. It is 618. First, we try to round off the following number 695 to nearest 100. See, 695 lies between 600 and 700. 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, and 690, and at last 700. See, here he gave 695. It lies between 690 and 700. In between it lies 695. See, as I told you, we have to check the distance to 700 and 600. See, 695 is just behind 700. And if you check the distance between 600 and 695, it is too far away from 600. So, 695 is rounded to 700. See, the answer is 700. Now, 36,152. 152. See, 152 lies between 100 and 200. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190. See, here 152. 152 lies between 150 and 160. Here 152. Let's check the distance 100 to 152 and 150 to 200. See, here the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the number of numbers between 100 and 152 is 5. Now, we will check the numbers between 152 and 200. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have only 4 numbers. So, 152 is nearer to 200. So, it is rounded to 200. So, the answer is 36,200. Now, third, 13,648. We have to take 3 digits, 648. It lies between 600 and 700. The between numbers are 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680 and 690. Here the number is 648. 48 lies between 640 and 650 here. 648. See, let's check the count of numbers between 600 and 648. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers. If we check to 700, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 numbers. See, by observing the distance, we can see 648 is nearer to 600. So it is rounded to 600. So the answer is 13,600. By observing this, now you try to solve the fourth problem, 93,618. 618 also lies between 600 and 700, and 600 lies between 610 and 620. See, 618 lies here. See, 600 is nearer to 618, but from 618, the 700 is far away. So, 618 is rounded to 600. So, the answer is 93,600. Third problem. Round off the following numbers to nearest thousands. In previous problems, for tens, we have taken 2 digits, and for hundreds, we have taken 3 digits. Now coming to the thousands, we have to take 4 digits. See, come to the first problem. Here he gave 3,415. As we have to take the 4 digits, 3,415, it lies between 3,000 and 4,000. The between numbers are 3,100, 3,200, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, 3,600, 3,700, 3,800, 3,900. Here 3,415. It lies between 3,400 and 3,500. Here 3,415. See, if we check the distance between 3,415 and 3,000 is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. If we check 3,415 to 4,000, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. See, 3,000 is nearer than 4,000. So, the answer is 3,000. Now coming to the second problem, 70,124. It lies between 70,000 and 71,000. See, here 70,100, 70,200, 70,300, 70,400, 70,500, 70,600, 70,700, 70,800, 70,900 and 71,000. Here 70,124. It lies between 70,100 to 70,200. Here 70,124. Here we can see, clearly observe that 70,000 is nearer than 71,000. So, it is rounded to 70,000. Now, coming to the 8,765. See, 8,675. It lies between 8,000 and 9,000. Between numbers are 8,100, 8,200, 8,300, 8,400, 8,500, 8,600, 8,700, 8,800, 8,900 and 9,000. See here 8,765. It lies between 8,700 and 8,800. Here 765. See here we can clearly observe that 8,000 is far away from 8,765 and 9,000 is nearer. So it is rounded to 9,000. Now by observing this, now you try to solve the fourth problem. Now coming to the fourth problem, write the numbers in short form. Here he gave the expand form and want to write in short form. As I told you, the place values ones, tens, hundreds, in thousands. We have thousands and 10,000s. See, here I gave 3,000. So, no 10,000. Here we have 3,000. Means in thousands place we have to write 3. And 4 hundreds. Here we have 4 in hundreds place and 7. There is no tens place. So in tens place we have to write 0. In ones place we have to write 7. Thus, now the short form is 3,407. See, otherwise you can simply add up these numbers to get this. See, for example, he gave 3,000 plus 400 plus 7. Just add these three. Here we get 7, 0, 4, 3. See, by either way we got the same answer. So you can choose any one way. Now coming to the second, he gave 10,000. In 10,000's place we have to write 10 thousands plus 2,000. Here we have to write 2. And here in hundreds place we got 3. And here we got 5. In tens place and in ones place we have to write 1. See, here he gave 10,000s. Means in 10,000s place we have to write only 1. As the place value is already 10,000. So we have to write 1. Now the short form is 12,351. See, 12,351. Now we try in this format. See, 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1. Here we get 1, here we get 5, here we get 3, here we get 2, here we get 1. By adding these numbers, we already got 12,351, which is the same answer. Now, let me explain the fourth problem. 90,000s means in 10,000s place we have to write 9. 9,000 in thousands place we have to write 9. 900 in hundreds place also we have to write 9. 90 in tens place also 9 and in ones 9. So the shortest form is the short form of the expanded digit is 99,999. So now you try to solve the third problem. Now Let's move to the last problem of exercise 1.2. The fifth problem is write the expanded form of the numbers. Here he gave the numbers and he wants us to write the numbers in expanded form. As I told you in introduction, see, this is the place values table. So here gave 4348. Here 4000 means thousands place we have to write 4, 348. 3 is in hundreds place and 4 is in tens place and in ones place it has 8. See here 4 thousands. So 4 into 1000 plus 3 hundreds. 3 into 100 plus 4 tens. 4 into 10 plus 8. On simplification we get 4 into 1000, 4000 plus 3 into 100, 300 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 8. So the expanded form of 4348 is 4000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. Now let's move to the second problem. Here he gave 30,214. See, in 10,000's place we have 3. In thousands place we have 0. Here 2 in hundreds place, 1 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. So 2 is in hundreds place, 1 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. See, 3 10,000s. So 3 into 10,000 plus thousands 0. 0 into 1000 plus 200s. 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 4. See, here 3 into 10,000, 30,000 plus 0 into 1000, 0 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 1 into 10, 10 plus 4. See, the expanded form of 30,214 is 30,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4. Now, let's now solve the third problem. Here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. See, in each place we have 2. In one place we have 2. Tens place we have 2. In hundreds, thousands, 10,000s also we have 2. So, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. See, 2 10,000s. So, 2 into 10,000 plus 2 thousands means 2 into thousands plus 2 hundreds means 2 into 100 plus 2 tens, 2 into 10 plus 2 ones, 2. On simplification, 2 into 10,000, 20,000 plus 2 into 1,000, 2,000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 2 into 10, 20 plus 2. See, this is the expanded form of 22,222. So the answer is 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2. In the same way, now you try to solve the fourth problem, that is 75,025.